Let us assemble the Glen. The box includes the body, ball bearings, quarter pins, the front wheel set, both back wheels with the wheel caps, horn cap, steering wheel, backrest, connecting rods, T-rod along with screws. Let's start by connecting the main body to the front wheel set and the steering wheel. Insert the ball bearing in the slot provided at the top of the Glen body as shown in the video. Put the connecting rod into the slot provided in the front wheel set, then insert the ball bearing through the rod. Unscrew the cell cap at the back of the steering wheel to put in 2 AA batteries. Once done, screw the cap back on. Now, insert the front wheels through the 2 slots provided in the main body, and place the ball bearing as shown. To attach the steering wheel, insert the T-rod into the center of the wheel. Put in the steering wheel, with the trod, from the top angle, through the connecting rod as it is being shown. Now, tighten the screws as it is being shown to firmly lock in the steering wheel and front wheel set with the main body. Coming to the back wheels. Flip the body and insert the connecting rod into the back side of the body, mount the wheel onto the rod as it's being shown. Secure the wheel with a quarter pin and push in the cover, you'll hear it lock with a click. Repeat the same process for the second wheel. Once the car is ready, push the backrest into the slots provided towards the back of the seat of Glen.
Now, this swing car is ready for your toddler to ride.